All right, what we have in there is extra firm, well-pressed tofu. One package of it, the normal, 15 ounce, whatever it is. And now we're gonna blend it up in the Cuisinart. All right, that's done. It's what you're looking for. When you grab it, it's smooth. I just want to remind you, this is like a speed version of cooking. All the stuff is down in the description. And as a side note, my hair has gotten long enough where it requires me to wear a friggin', what do you call them?
Man bun.
I have a man bun. Oh, what are those scrunchy?
A hairband?
I got a hairband in, YouTubers. The hair's gonna come off one of these days. In go all those dry ingredients. Again, I'm showing you a video that I've had zero to do with other than the dishonor of putting my hair in a hair tie. It's been my entire accomplishment. That's the dry ingredients. All right, GoPro, now go in all the wet ingredients. Like a paste that was also down in the description. Sometimes you get a step-by-step and sometimes you got to read a little bit. I wonder which is more popular with people.
This kind of smells like barbecue sauce.
It does smell like barbecue sauce. It's that liquid smoke that does it. There's liquid smoke in there. Now we're gonna put the lid back on. No, I'm just gonna stand here and say, pulse it in a little bit. All right, then you let it go for a bit. We'll be back. GoPro, stop recording. All right, this is a little bit of work for your Cuisinart or whatever you're using. That's what you want it to look like. Again, this is seitan, so it's very bread-like in the process. But I've eaten this, but not seen it cooked, and it's very, very good. You'd think you're eating ham. So you knead it for a while, and then we'll move on. So after the food processor portion of the show, you knead it for a while, or the person doing all the actual work needs it, and you stand here behind a GoPro acting like you accomplished something. Crisscross. I haven't done nothing yet. Why start now? Crisscrosses.
Looks like a baguette now.
It does. You do that. You spray it down with some Pam. And you take a little bit of...
This is the glaze. Which
the
is
glaze.
Brown sugar, dry mustard, and salt.
You're going to put a little bit down on the bottom. It's probably going to help caramelize it when you cook it, would be my guess. Because it was like caramelized when I ate it. That's a lot. You putting it all down?
Putting it all down.
What about the top?
We'll see.
I'll see. Patience, grasshopper. When you place that in there, you're going to roll it into it. See? Tricky. And I'm telling you, for the uninitiated, such as myself, until I tried it last time, this really does taste like ham. Now that said, everything vegan, when you say it tastes like, it's pretty darn close. You might fool some people, but enough people are going, well, that's close enough to ham for me. And your assistant washes their hands.
That's a running joke. I'm the assistant at best.
You're gonna roll it up. I feel like Emeril Lagasse. Take all the credit for all the work the sous chefs do. They're the real cooks. I took that part out. You'll never ever know. You're gonna double wrap it, apparently.
Well, I think I could have made it a little skinnier, and I'm not comfortable that it's not gonna blow open right there, so I'm just gonna do this.
And make sure you heard all that.
Just some extra.
You do not want things to blow up in your oven, because then you'll burn your tongue licking the inside of your oven. That's why. That's not why. Then your assistant will have to clean the oven. Stop Stop laughing at people. And you set your oven for 350, and this is gonna bake for
30 minutes covered and 30 minutes after you open it.
30 minutes inside the foil, and then 30 minutes without foil. You just open it, Ann. All right, we'll be back.
Okay, there's no coming back. I take this back to Ohio. There you go. There's the ingredients that I can't remember what they are. And now I'm back in Ohio and I'm using it for a meal. Those are potatoes that I'm going to boil, some mushrooms and onions and gravy. And then we're going to put it in the NuWave and cook it. All right, my taters are done. I'm going to drain them and mash them, make mashed potatoes.
All right, I'm going to mash these potatoes up. We'll be back. I didn't even skin them. Left them all together. Okay, I put fake plant butter in because it's still going to be vegan. And I got some almond milk. Finish up these potatoes. A little bit of salt on them.
Rare salt use for me.
Good deal. Good deal. And as I told you, this is that new pan I got, and I had a lid that fits it perfectly. So I'm gonna let those sit. I got the ham in the NuWave Mini. I think I put it for about 12 minutes still wrapped up in foil. And when that ends, I'm gonna do 5 minutes with the foil off, flip it over, do 5 more minutes with the foil off. And then there's my gravy with lots of onions and mushrooms in it. Okay, oh, it smells so good. Okay, I'll throw that aluminum foil away. It's hot, do it quick. Oh, yeah, that's hot. The noise you hear in the background is my nucleator making broccoli. So we're gonna cook this 6 minutes. Away it goes. I got my better lid out in the RV. This one doesn't. I've got 2 spare lids, and both of them kind of move. Okay, pull this over. Oh, a nice crispy to it on the bottom. 4 minutes. And away it goes. Okay. Flip that back over again. Oh, that's still hot. It is hot. Yikes! I'm hoping I didn't overcook this. I don't think I did. We're about ready to get plating. I'll be right back. Alright, there's the gravy. Yeah, we're gonna plate this really, really soon. Okay. My nice mushroom gravy with onions in it going on the taters. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay, let's cut up some of this ham.
I apologize for doing the slicing out of the camera frame. My bad.
Cutting it thin. Look at there. Let's see. Oh, that's so good. I'm telling you, it is very, very ham-like. Okay, lemon juice, because that's what I do with broccoli. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Totally vegan meal. I'm just gonna eat it right here.
That's a good-looking meal, I think.
Mashed potatoes, mushroom gravy, messing up the color. Broccoli with lemon juice. And fake ham. And it really does taste like ham. Let's get into this and eat it right here. Why am I eating it right here like this? Because as bad as it looks, my lighting here is a little bit better than other places. So let's get in these potatoes with mushrooms and onions. Oh yeah. They came out really good. Mm-hmm. Some broccoli. Mm-hmm. And I want to apologize. Let's go with the ham. Before I Before I apologize, let's take a look at it. I'm telling you, that tastes like ham. Really does. The texture's very, very good. Oh my goodness, that is so good. It's so near ham. Okay, the part I want to apologize, as I said, was I can't find the recipe I used for this. If you go on the internet, on YouTube, and just, fake ham, I know I got a picture of all the dry ingredients, but I thought I had the recipe, but I don't. Please forgive me. I will try to find it, and maybe in a future video I'll say, hey, remember I made that ham? Here's the recipe. Potatoes could use a little salt. That's good eating. Alright, YouTubers. You can do this. You can eat vegan, and it can be better than you think. It will help you have a great and wonderful day. And I wish a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everybody out there in YouTube land. Hopefully you get the opportunity in these trying COVID times to spend time, quality time with those people, family and friends that are important to you. And let's hope for a better 2022 than the last couple years have been. Merry Christmas. Great, wonderful day. I'm going to eat far too much of this.
It's a great meal. Again, Merry Christmas and great leftovers. Fake ham and cheese sandwiches are awesome.